problem. This is something similar to what we have done. Say certain unit feedback control system is given by G of S, which is equal to this equation. Consider the Mode plot and find out the crossover frequencies and the gain margins. Again expresses in the standard form. This is 0.5 becomes 2, 0.1 is again 10. The common frequencies are 2 and 10. Similarly, constant factor here, sorry, this is K is nothing but here 10. Okay, then 20 log 10 is 20 dB. Again, we have one slope, that is one pole at the 0, and that is going to give you minus 20 dB, and so on, as we have discussed. As pole goes on adding, your the slope of the line goes on increasing, minus 20, minus 40 and minus 60 like this. Now, where do we start the graph? At what point? This is the lowest frequency. So if it is 1, let us start from point 1. Okay? At point 1, at omega equal to point 1, 20 log, the gain value of this function will be 20 log 10 minus 20 log omega minus 20 log root of 1 minus 0.5 omega whole square minus 20 log root of 1 plus 0.1 omega whole square. This is how we have to write the equation. Now at omega equal to 0.1, this is independent, so this will give you a slope of 20, 10. This becomes, again this is, value will be minus of minus 20, it is, sorry, this is 20, 10. Okay, this is 20 minus of minus 20. The other values are 0, so it is around minus 40. So it is a plus 40. So we will have to start from plus 40. And again, this is the tabular column for the phase plot. Correspondingly, you have to take the values and draw. You can mark the points 1, 2, 3, and the same thing can be written on the graph. So the first thing we started from again 0.1, 110, this is 100, okay, then this will be 1000 millimeters. Then as we said, we calculated the phase value at 0.1, this 2040. Then you will have to come down by how much? You have to come down by a value of minus, if this is, what is the coordinate of this? This is 0.1, 40 dB. The difference should be, if your minus 20 means, 40 minus 20 means what? 20. So here this point should be, this is the coordinate you have, that is 1, 20. You draw the line like this, but can I stop here? Where is the corner frequency? If you look at the table, the first corner frequency is at 2. So now, extend this line up to 2. Okay, this is 1 and this is 1, this is 2. Okay, this is 1, 1 radian, 2 radian, 3 radian like this. So now up to this point you have to stop. What is the coordinate here? 2, 14 dB is the coordinate that we have. 2 radians per second and 14 dB. At this point, a pole is getting added. That is this pole, the second pole, this pole is getting added at 2. Now, look at the coordinate of this, it is 2, 14 dB. When you are adding a pole, now this was already at minus 20. When I add minus 20, the total slope should be minus 40. If I have to get a minus 40, see, let me write y2 minus y1 is x2, we know, this is, okay, x2 minus x1. This is 40 means, this is y2 minus y1 is 14, okay, x2 minus x1 is 2. If I have to have a decay means what? Multiply by 10, so this will be 20. Okay, but what is y2 value? Y2 will be, it is going to be minus 40 plus 14. Minus 40 plus 14. How much is that going to give you? It is going to be 26. See, at 20, minus 26, mark a point. Okay, mark a point at, see this is 10, this is 20, mark a point at 20 comma minus 26. 20 is here, you cannot see this is 20 dB, minus 26 is here, somewhere here you have this 26. So minus 26 dB, at this point you mark, join these points, these two lines, these 2 points you join, this slope is going to be minus 40. Okay, difference if you find, you can see the difference. This difference is giving you minus 40 and this is giving you a difference of 1 decade. So minus 40 per decade will be the slope. Next, at where do we have the next corner frequency? The corner frequency next one comes at 10. You have extended this up to 20, but the next corner frequency is coming at 10. So what should you do? Stop here, right there, stop. You would have extended at this here at this point, but at 10 there is one more corner frequency which is coming. What is the magnitude at this point? It is, you can just see, it is 10 comma minus 14 dB. This is at 10 radians per second. See here, we have extended it here till this point, but at 10 one more pole is getting added. The magnitude is minus 14 dB. When a pole is getting added here, the slope changes to 60, minus 60. So minus 14 minus 16, 60 is how much? Minus 14 minus 60 will be minus 74. Okay, and this is 10 months. What is 1 decade? It will be 100. So from 10 to 100 at minus 74 dB, mark this point, join these two. Okay, this will be the entire magnitude plot. This will be the entire magnitude plot. Next, mark all the points here. Take the phase plot. This is minus 90. Okay, minus 180, minus 270. Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. Mark all the points and join. This, what is the point? This is the point where the phase plot crosses minus 180 degree. What is the frequency? That is omega PC. Okay, omega PC here it is around 4.4 radians per second. If you just plot, when you see this, when you take this up, okay, when you take this plot up and see what is the frequency, you get that value. Okay, you can just find out the frequency at this point. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4 you get a value, so it is around 4.4. What is the omega GC means what? Gain crossover. Gain crossover frequency is what? This value. At what frequency? You just check. It is around, this is around 4.2, this will be around 4. This is 4.4, this will be around 4.2. A slight difference. And what is the gain margin? Gain margin, a small gain margin you get around 2 dB, that is 0 minus of minus 2, it is 2 dB is the gain margin. What is the phase margin? Phase margin will be around, the difference here, you have a small difference, okay, you take out the angle here, this angle by how many degrees? It has come down by 9, okay, so what will be the minus 90 minus 9 into how many lines you have marked? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 9 lines. So it is minus. So now you find out the difference. It is, when you find out the difference here, it is you get around 9 or it is around 10 degree. Okay, you get around 10 degree, approximately around 10 degree will be the phase margin. You can see that is for different values, you have to calculate and see. This completes the problem.